Hello. So today we are talking about the research methodology. So what is it? So we can think of it as the guiding philosophy or the framework for the research. It defines how we are thinking about the knowledge and inquiry. So the methodology is having different methods, and methods are the tools we are using it to collect the data. In the simple way, we can say like methodology is why we are doing it, and the methods are how we are doing it. Moreover, it is having the parts like it's having the qualitative research, which is more on the basis of its meaning, the experiences, and the understanding. You can say like the, when the questions like why and how arises, so it will go into the qualitative research, and the common methods for that is interviews, focus groups, observations, and the case studies. So overall it produces the descriptive data such as the words, opinions, and stories. So it's all about the qualitative research. And if we talk about the quantitative research, so this approach focuses on basically the numbers, measurements, and testing hypothesis. The variables and test hypothesis, which is also included in this. Moreover, the surveys, experiments, and the statistics. It produces a numerical data which can be compared, analyzed, and we can use it for the prediction. So basically, it's all about the quantitative, which is more on the basis of numericals and measurable results. And then later there's the different method which is mixed of the qualitative and the quantitative. We can say the triangulation method, and this is a combination of the both approaches, and it balances the meaning and the measurement, the meaning of the qualitative research and the measurement of the quantitative research. So the result is more complete view uh, for the research problem. So yeah, the methodology is a debate. So we can say like both research method is having the strength and weaknesses, but the best approaches depend like what kind of research you want to do and what are your questions. So it's all depend on your why, like which kind of research you want to do. So yes, so the right approach, I believe the right approach, when we have the questions like why and how, we'll go for the qualitative research. And if we have the questions like how many, or in the numericals, so we will go for the quantitative. So this is basically the major difference. So yeah, and we can say like in the summary, this the methodology is, we can say, the choosing the right fit and justifying it. Like if we want to go with the particular research which is focusing on the questions like why and how, so we should go for the qualitative, and on the other hand we will focus on the quantitative method if we are going for the numbers, numericals, or the measurement data. So it's all about the approach which is basically on the research questions, worldview, and the skills. So this is from my side. Thank you so much.